Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Jojo and today is the third day of the 12 days of Christmas giveaways, and our video today is sponsored by A&N Classic Decor. They are an online shop mostly on Instagram, and they do focus on interior decor and home organization pieces. So I'm going to take you through their page and you get to see what kind of items that they do have. And they were so generous enough and they offered 4 items, so they're going to be giving away 4 items to 4 different people. So make sure you watch this video until the end and get to see which items they will be giving away. As I mentioned, their page is A&N Classic Decor, and from their page you can see they have a sale that is going on, and you can get this home organization item where you can place your keys, and this would be perfect for the entryway. So you just come in and hang your keys so that when you're leaving the house you don't have to keep looking for your keys. If you're in a habit of misplacing your keys, this would be a very good organization item for you. And we have a different one with Sweet Home, and as I've said, they have a sale up to 40% off the items, so make sure you go check them out. And they have some organization items, so like this shelf would be perfect for your bathroom, and you can place your oils, your soaps, your lotions, everything. You can organize them in the bathroom. And we have these floating shelves that you can place anywhere. You can do this in your living room, you can even have this in your entryway, you can have it in your bathroom. There's so many options where you can use this. And we also have some wall hooks that you can place under your kitchen cabinet, on the wall, in the bathroom, so you can use it virtually anywhere in your space. And then we have the kitchen mounted spice rack, and this is one of the items that they'll be giving away. So I'm so excited for someone, maybe you want to have your spices right next to your cooker, so this would be perfect for it. Or even maybe you don't have a pantry and you'd love to have your spices, or you don't have a lot of space, because you can use this next to your fridge. You can mount this on your fridge. You can also do this right next to the cooker, or even at the side where your kitchen cabinet is, if you have space. So they have some rags, and also they do have laundry bins, they have pillows, pillowcases. So they have a lot of items, and you can go through their page and see what they do stock. And for this giveaway, they were so generous, and they are offering the first item. Let me show you. So the first item they'll be offering is this key holder written home. So this would be perfect, as I mentioned, for your entryway, and you can put your car keys, your house keys, anything as soon as you get into the house. And then the next item that they will be giving away is this bonsai plants. They'll be giving away 1 potted plant. The third item that they'll be giving away is where is it? I had seen it there, mounted spice rack. Yes, here it is. So they will be giving away this mounted spice rack, so for your kitchen. And if you love cooking, definitely you must love having your spices organized, and this would be perfect for you. And then the last item that they will be giving away is this under counter hanger. So you can place your, as you can see from the video, you can place a lot of things, your cooking spoons, your chopping board, and also you can even do this in your bedroom, on your closet. So you can hang maybe like your ties or your scarves. This is a versatile item for you to have. And this, as I mentioned, will be they're giving away. So the 4 items that I've shown you, they will be given away. So if you're interested in getting any of the items, kindly comment down in the comment section below. Let me know which item you'll be interested in having, and I'll be announcing the winner tomorrow morning. So may the odds be in your favor. That's it. That is it for today's episode. I'll see you in my next video tomorrow morning. Bye.